Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Monday, October the 16th, 2023. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. No additional. I will do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition of Saturday and Sunday. Yes, and the news of today. Well, today on Monday, Holland has won the match against Greece. Yes, soccer news and important match because if the Netherlands lose, then it will be very difficult for the European Championship. Yes, but we have won. All right. Enough. The news with the news. Number 7279. 7279. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And it's a 9 by 11 Jigsaw Sudoku. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. So I think it should be a 1 star or 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. For 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright. We'll see if this is a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, no dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. Do we have here triple box? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. So the 1 and 2 are left. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is only 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already given. Yeah. Another triple box. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 in the same area. So it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Here, another triple box. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box level 3 should be there. And the other number should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Right now, insufficient information. And the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. This box can be a 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well. More quadra boxes here? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. For example, we have the Z construction. If you rotate this, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. But it's the same figure, structure, construction, or shape, whatever you name it. Remember, if you see the Z construction, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. More Z constructions? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. In this case, it's a 2 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Rotate it. This one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 again. And this one is also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. More. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one. But rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5 here. 4 or 5. More? No. And the last shape, we have a last shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. We have an L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So in this case, it's a 3 here. It should be a 3. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. And this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, it's already filled in. The 2. Alright. More? No. And that's all the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. This box is going to be a 1. That box is going to be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then Then, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? We have a 2 here. We have 3 here. We have a 4 there. So 1 digit left. Should be the 5. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means in this triple box, those two boxes can be 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. One box left in this area for number 1. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 5 goes at there. Alright, and now, I've marked those two boxes elevated 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then, let me see. I need a 2 in this L-shaped area. Well, these two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 1. This box can be a well. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Let me pull. Yeah. Alright. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. We have 1 here, there 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Then. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then these 3 boxes. 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then this box can be 3. This box can be 5. So 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 4 and 3. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. Then these two boxes. Wait. Yeah, I need to wait. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. Then let me see. Well, come on. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2. And this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 5 and a 2, 2 and a 3. Well, did I make a mistake? Interesting. Well, 2. Yeah. 2 or 3. 5 or a 2. Okay, 5. Oh, overlooked this 5. Wow. Can it be a 5 anymore? Yeah. This box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yeah. Overlooked. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. Yeah. We solve it again, and like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other puzzles in the weekend edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.